Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale business intelligence with Power BI detailed guide step by step clearly. Identify your business goals and objectives. Understand the specific insights you want to derive from your data. Gather all relevant data sources, both internal and external. Ensure data quality by cleaning and transforming your datasets. Explore Power BI's capabilities to determine which features you will use. Download and install Power BI Desktop on your computer. Connect to your data sources using Power BI's data connectors. Use the query editor to refine and model your data. Define relationships between different datasets to ensure accurate analysis. Create meaningful calculated columns and measures using DAX. Design your reports by adding visuals that align with your business goals. Incorporate filters and slicers for interactive data exploration. Customize your dashboard layout for clarity and appeal. Publish your report to the Power BI service for broader accessibility. Share your dashboards with team members and stakeholders. Set up scheduled data refreshes to keep your data up to date. Leverage Power BI's built-in collaboration features to discuss insights. Monitor the usage metrics to understand engagement with your reports. Iterate on your reports based on user feedback and evolving business needs. Explore advanced features like Power BI apps and integration with other tools. Ensure data governance by setting permissions and security access levels. Train your team to effectively use Power BI for decision-making. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of your business intelligence strategy. Stay updated with new Power BI features and enhancements for ongoing improvement. Create a culture of data-driven decision-making within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.